I remember driving on my side, smokes up, windows open. The sun's in our eyes, but it's alright, 'cause we don't know where we're going. We don't need no mirror.
So we've just pulled into Dundee Beach. So this is the holiday park. We've got a really good site. There's a little swimming pool just there. And if you look at our site, we're right next to the pool over this side. So we've got two pools, lots of space.
If you're ever in need, bad times, know where I've been. I got plenty in my pocket if you're ever in need. Oh, share that love. Oh, share that love. Bad times are rolling on me. I got plenty in my pocket if you're ever in need. I remember you on a lifeline, holding on for daylight, praying to the heavens that you're alright. Yeah, you know I'm on your side. We don't need no mirror pointing back. Forget about the past, what's done is done, and that is that. You didn't have more than the shirt that's on your back, but I'll never forget the way you turned to me and said, when the good times are rolling on me, I got plenty in my pocket if you're ever in need. Bad times, know where I'll be.
Well, this is how they roll in the Northern Territory. You get in your buggy and you come down to the tavern. You bring your boat in with the tractors. Looks like everyone's had a good day.
I remember driving on my side, high as fuck, windows open. 5-4 right behind us. Hit the gas and we ghost on. Got me wide open. Each time you fall in love, you run the risk you'll get heartbroken. Or stay inside forever where your doors are hardly open. This game will charge a tax, this game will charge a token. Cause at this rate, love is lost and that is.
We thought we'd give this creek a go. We could see some fish when we arrived, but it was now it's running too fast. So we missed our chance.
When the good times are rolling on me, I got plenty in my pocket if you've ever been need. Bad times, know where I've been. I got plenty in my pocket if you've ever been need. Oh, share that love. Oh, share that love. Good times are rolling on me. I got plenty in my pocket.
So just a quick recap, we're returning from Dundee Beach. The caravan park was $57 a night for power and water. We saw some kangaroos in the camp and there's two nice swimming pools. It was a nice caravan park. We're just going past Bino, where we thought about staying at the Sand Palms Roadhouse. And there it is in there. There's a couple of vans in there, not many. Looks a bit dusty. But the road out is bitumen, quite good, a few potholes, and we didn't put the boat in. It looked a bit choppy for our little boat and the tides are rushing through the creek, so just one day there and now we're going to go explore Waggett Beach. I'm not sure how to say that one, I'll ask the locals when I get there.
A little bit of sunshine, hit me with them good vibes. Pictures on my phone like everything is so fine. Little bit of
Showing your core lithium mine. You've invested in them, haven't you, Greg?
Another day, another selfish moment. I've been feeling helpless, sick of seeing all the selfies. Now I don't care. Found myself a new vocation, calibrated motivation. No more static, change the station, headed somewhere. I'm dancing more, just a little bit. Breathing more, just a little bit. Care a little less, just a little bit. Like life is I'm making more, just a little bit. Spin a little more to get rid of it. Smile a little more and I'm into it. Honestly, man, lately